In this video, I'll show you how to add a download button in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your website, what you want to do is simply scroll down to the section where you want to add a download button. Let's say I want to add a download button on this section, and what you want to do next is simply hover on a section, and on the top and left corner, you will see an option to add a block. Simply click on Add Block. Now below, what you want to do is simply head over to Essentials, and under that should be the button. If you can't find Essentials and button, at the very top there is a search bar, and from here you can just simply search for button. Now you want to hover onto button, simply hold, and then drag within your desired section. And once you're done, you will automatically see your button. Now, what you want to do is simply set this to a download button. And to do that, simply click on the button. And at the top and the left-hand side, click on the pencil to edit. From here, you want to change the text as download. And at the bottom, this is where you can start attaching a link. Simply click on Attach Link. And once that's done, on the left-hand side, a pop-up will show. What you want to do is simply click on the drop-down for URL. And from here, you want to click on File. Now, this will actually depend on how you want the button to look like. What you can do is simply click on URL, and let's say you have a drive or you have a link for a Dropbox or a Mediafire, and in here you can simply add the link for the download file. Now, however, if you just want them to simply add or download the file, what you can do is search for the files on your Squarespace drive, or what you could also do is upload a file. And to do that, simply head over to the right-hand side and click on the arrow going up. And once that's done, it will open your files, and in there, what you want to do is simply add your file. As you can see, I have added a PNG or a picture within the file, and once you're done, simply click on a random space within your section, and it will automatically save. Now, as you can see in here, our link is set to the file. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to the top and left-hand side and click on Save. And besides Save, you want to click on Exit. Now, this will show you your website preview. You want to scroll down to the download button. And if we click on download, as you can see, it will automatically download the file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.